In today's video, I bring you a never-seen-before trading strategy that can be used on all time frames on any type of financial asset. The strategy I'm talking about uses the UT bot alerts indicator and the STC indicator. In my case, I'm going to be testing the strategy on the 5-minute chart in Bitcoin. The first thing we will have to do is select the UT bot alerts indicator. We will put this indicator with the following parameters 2 and 6. This indicator, as its name indicates, will give us signals to carry out buy and sell operations. But since this is not enough, the next thing we will do is select the STC indicator. We will put the STC indicator with the following parameters 80 and 27. In addition, we will put the upper and lower lines in white so that they can be seen better. Let us now see when we will carry out buy operations. We will carry out a buy operation in the event that the STC is green and below the 25 level. If this is true, we will wait for the bot alert to indicate the buy signal to carry out the operation. We will place our stop loss below the last low and our take profit with a minimum ratio of 1.5 to 1, that is, 1.5 times our stop loss. In the case of carrying out a sell operation, we will wait for the STC to be red and above the 75 level. If this is true, we will wait for the bot alert to indicate the sell signal to carry out the operation. We will place our stop loss above the last high and our take profit with a minimum ratio of 1.5 to 1, that is, 1.5 times our stop loss. Let's see some more examples. This is undoubtedly a very simple strategy, especially good for beginners, and especially for a short period of time, such as 5 minutes. And ready, I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.